Hey there, LearnDash users. Did you ever, as an admin of an online course, find yourself frantically searching through your system for student certificates or spending hours manually downloading files one by one? If yes, then this video is about to bring a smile to your face. What if I told you that you could manage all your course certificates in one place? Either download them in bulk with a single click, or save and sync automatically to your Google Drive as a backup? Let's start. First, you need to install and activate our premium plugin, LearnDash Certificate Downloader. Once activated, you'll notice two new menu items under your LearnDash LMS menu: Download Certificates and Certificate Drive Settings. Let's explore the download functionality first. It's as easy as pie. Click on Download Certificates in your LearnDash menu. You'll see a search bar that allows you to find specific students by username or email. When you search for a student, the plugin will display all his completed courses along with certificate information. For each certificate, you'll see 1. The student's name, 2. Their email address, 3. The course title, 4. The certificate issue date, 5. Action buttons for downloading or syncing to Google Drive. Click on the download button to download all the certificates to your device. It is that simple. Let's now do the Google Drive integration, so that certificates are saved on Drive and automatically sync as well. Step 1. Click on Certificate Drive Settings under the LearnDash menu. You'll see a form asking for Google API credentials. Here's how to get those credentials. 1. First, go to the Google Cloud Console at console.cloud.google.com and create a new project. 2. Navigate to APIs and Services and enable the Google Drive API. 3. Go to Credentials and create OAuth 2.0 credentials, Web Application Type. 4. For the redirect URI, copy the URL shown in your plugin settings page. 5. Once created, copy your client ID and client secret back to the plugin settings. Now, you need to create a folder in Google Drive where your certificates will be stored. Simple steps to follow are: 1. Go to your Google Drive and create a new folder. 2. Open the folder and copy the folder ID from the URL. It's the long string after folders / in the URL. 3. Paste this folder ID into the Google Drive folder ID field in your plugin settings. Click Save Changes, and then click the Connect to Google Drive button. You'll be prompted to authorize the application with your Google account. Follow the prompts, and once authorized, you'll see a success message indicating the connection is established. Congratulations! Your Google Drive integration is now set up. Any certificates you sync will be stored in the folder you specified. Let's see if everything is working correctly. Go back to the Download Certificates page and search for a student with completed courses. Next to each certificate, you'll now see a Sync to Drive button. Click on one of these buttons to sync an individual certificate. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a success message, and the certificate will appear in your Google Drive folder. You can also select multiple certificates using the checkboxes on the left, and then use the Sync Selected to Drive button at the bottom to sync multiple certificates at once. This is incredibly powerful when you need to back up dozens or even hundreds of certificates. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to setting up and using the LearnDash Certificate Downloader plugin. What used to be hours of tedious work is now reduced to just a few clicks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress and LearnDash tutorials.